5 amazing facts you didn't know about smoothies. 1. Nutrient powerhouse. Smoothies can pack an entire day's worth of fruits, vegetables, and nutrients into one drink, making them a super convenient health boost. 2. Origin story. Smoothies originated in South America and became popular in the US during the 1930s with the invention of the electric blender. 3. Supports. Weight loss. High-protein smoothies with fiber-rich ingredients like spinach and chia seeds can keep you full longer, aiding weight loss goals. 4. Boosts digestion. Adding ingredients like yogurt or kefir introduces probiotics, while fiber-rich fruits like berries help promote gut health. 5. Customizable superfoods. Smoothies can include hidden superfoods like spirulina, maca, or turmeric, providing a nutrient boost without altering the taste. Subscribe and like to discover more interesting facts